Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power meets luxury and every ride tells a story. If you love premium vehicles, bold design, and next-level comfort, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're taking a deep cinematic look at the 2026 Toyota Sienna in Glossy Jet Black, a minivan that redefines what modern American family luxury really means. Intro to the vehicle. The moment you see the 2026 Toyota Sienna, you realize this is not an ordinary van. Finished in glossy jet black, it delivers a commanding road presence with a sleek, upscale attitude. Toyota has blended practicality with bold styling, creating a vehicle that feels just as confident on city streets as it does on open American highways. Front view praise. Let's start with the front view. The aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, and wide stance give the Sienna a powerful, almost SUV-like face. The black finish enhances every line, reflecting light in a way that screams premium. From this angle, the 2026 Sienna looks bold, modern, and unmistakably American in spirit. Side view praise. Move to the side view, and the luxury continues. The long, flowing body lines, black alloy wheels, and clean profile make this minivan look smooth and aerodynamic. In glossy jet black, the side view feels elegant yet sporty, perfect for families who want space without sacrificing style. Back view praise. From the back view, Toyota keeps things clean and confident. The LED tail lights glow with a sharp, modern signature, while the wide rear stance adds stability and strength. This angle highlights the Sienna's balance between design and function, making it look just as good pulling into a driveway as cruising down the freeway. Dashboard and interior praise. Step inside to the dashboard view, and you're welcomed by a tech-focused, driver-friendly layout. Premium materials, a large digital display, ambient lighting, and a comfortable steering wheel create a cockpit that feels refined and futuristic. Toyota clearly designed this interior for long American road trips, where comfort and connectivity matter most. Engine view praise. Under the hood, the engine view shows Toyota's focus on reliability and efficiency. The 2026 Sienna is engineered to deliver smooth performance, quiet operation, and dependable power, perfect for families, daily commuting, and long highway drives. Drone, highway, and night shots praise. From a drone view, the Sienna's shape and proportions look perfectly balanced, especially in glossy jet black. On the highway shot, it glides effortlessly, stable and confident at speed. And in the night shot, with city lights reflecting off its black paint and LEDs cutting through the darkness, the 2026 Toyota Sienna looks absolutely stunning. Luxury meets modern motion. Price mention. Now let's talk numbers. In the United States, the 2026 Toyota Sienna is expected to start around $38,000. With higher trims and premium packages reaching up to $50,000 or more, depending on features. For the design, technology, space, and reliability it offers, this price point makes the Sienna a strong value in the luxury family segment. Closing, channel call. So that's the 2026 Toyota Sienna in glossy jet black, bold from every angle, refined inside and out, and built for the American lifestyle. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Channel V8X, bringing you the machines that move America. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Oncoming automobile fire.